Alright, we're going to be doing this lovely little cam over here from this wonderful 2025 paper. It says that they've given you the incomplete graph of a displacement, and you've got a roller in follower, vertical and horizontal lines, camshaft detail of the starting position, cam imparts the following motion. Right, that's the important part. It says from 0 to 180, the follower rises 60 millimeters. If you measure that off over there, that is exactly 60 millimeters. And it says that it is uniform and accelerated and uniform acceleration and retardation. Now, because it's exactly 60, the easiest way of breaking this line up is just to come along here and draw in. I like to use little arrows where you've got those two, where the little 10 millimeter markings are. Do that and you'll get rid of your error of parallax. Right, once you've done that, I would suggest very strongly that you look at this. There is 180 over there. I'm just going to highlight that line so that we know where the stopping point is. And you mark off the middle point, which would be on the 90 over there. And once you've done that, what you're going to do is you're going to take little dashes in the middle over here. Okay, just on that 90 line over there. Just take lines coming across from our little arrows that we made at those 10 millimeter markings. There we go. And what we do now is we take some lines going from the 0 up to that point over there. We take a line going from 0 up to that point over there. You take a line which is going to go from the 0 all the way up to that top corner over there. You then come to that top corner over there and you're going to come down over here like that and like that. Okay, once you've done that, you now have some points that you need to recognize. At the 30, there's that point there, going up to there, going up to there, going up to there, and finishing off there. And you're going to just do a little feathering line going up, going up, and just making little dots all the way, making sure that it looks beautiful, and then you just follow your dots as beautifully as you possibly can. Go all the way up. There we go, taking that up to the top over there, and there you go, you've got your accelerated and retarded motion. It then says that it's going to rest from 180 to 240, so we go over here, our 240 line over there, and we draw a nice dark line coming across the top over there. Okay, nice dark line, make sure that you can see it. It then says that you need to go from 240 down to the 360, and it falls the full 60 millimeters in simple harmonic motion. Right, to do that, well, we found the midpoint over there. We can take that straight across from that point over there. There's our midpoint over there. Take your pair of compasses, smash that in over there, wind that back to that radius over there, which should link up perfectly on this side of things. Let's just get that perfect. There we go, wind that out. There we go, and we're going to draw in a nice, oopsie, darn it. Draw a nice arc coming around like that. Okay, and once we've got that in place, just going to erase some of that line over there that I just messed up. It's just horrible. There we go. Once we've got that in place, you'll see that I have got how many little spaces over here. I'm just going to highlight this line over here. I have got 1, 2, 3, 4 spaces. If I've got 4 spaces, what am I going to do? I'm going to take my line going out like that at 45, line going out like that at 45, and a line coming across in the middle. Okay. What have I got there? Well, I can come straight to the middle over there. You can see there's that middle point over there, and I then take a line coming across over here to that point, a line coming across over here to that point, and I have enough points to link up. I can just do some feathering coming down over here. Tick 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 tick. Okay, and once I've done that, I can then draw in that line nice and dark, just following those little marks that I made over there as beautifully as I can. There we go. Right, once we've got that in place, I can now start taking these lines across. You'll see that the center of the roller is in line with the base of the graph over here, and I can then take these lines coming across. I'm just going to actually just get this page set up a bit better. It's not very nicely set up, which is a bit of a problem, but okay, there we go. Okay, I'm going to take lines coming across, and the first one is going to need to go to 30, but where is 30? It says that this thing is rotating in a clockwise direction. So if this is 0 over here, 30 must be over there because it needs to move in that direction. So 30 degrees, 60 degrees, 90 degrees, 120 degrees, 150 degrees, 180 degrees, 210 degrees, 240 degrees, 270, 70 degrees, 300 degrees, 330 degrees, and going back to 360. Right, our first mark is going to come across over here from this point, coming across, hits that line over there, and I now need to take a pair of compasses, set them to a radius which is going to go from that point over there around to where the 30 is. Okay, and our first little mark is going to be at that point. You don't need to do that little thing that I just did there. All right, the next one is at the 60. I'm going to take a line coming across from where it hits the 60 over there. Extend my pair of compasses out to that distance, wind it around. You can put these lines in as well, don't stress about them. And there's my next little one over there. I then go to the 90 degrees, take that across to there, take that up over here, take that around to where the 90 is, and there it is. Okay, go up to the next one, which is 120, taking that across to there, finding the radius, take that around to 120 over there. There's the next one, right? Let's go to 150. There is 150 coming across over here. Take that radius over there from the 150 coming around over here to where it says 150. There's the next one that I need. The 180 is exactly on the top of this thing, so we've already got that. You can see that coming across over there is in line with the top of that circle that they've drawn. There's my 180 over there. Right, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to draw some little circles in to the radius of this little roller. So I'm going to set my pair of compasses to that radius. Now you don't need to draw the full circle every single time. Okay, it's a construction line arc that they're just wanting. So you just take a pair of compasses and you just gently draw in some construction line little arcs coming around from there. You can just get the base of it in. You don't need to draw the full thing. There we go. Unless you're really wanting to practice with your pair of compasses to draw full circles, you really don't need to. There we go. Going over here, drawing an arc going around like that. Going to the next one, drawing a little arc coming around like that. Going to the 180 over here, drawing a little arc coming around like that. Okay. It says that it goes all the way through to 240. Now you'll note that I didn't draw a little circle at the 210. The reason being is that I can use a pair of compasses now straight from there, extend them out to that radius up to the top of that circle over there. It should meet up perfectly with that. And I'm going to draw a nice little arc coming around with the pair of compasses to link those 2 points. Okay, once I've done that, let's continue with transferring the simple harmonic motion. I'm just going to take a nice green pencil over here. So we go over here to the 270 mark, take that across, mark that off, and take your radius to that 270 degree story. Take that round, windy, all the way to 270. That's that point over there. Okay. We go over here to the 300 mark over here. Take that across. We've already got a mark there from before, and we're going to take that, winding it all the way around, coming all the way around over here, and that ends up at the 300 over there. There we go. And the last one is the 330. Take that across over here, take that up over there, and we wind that all the way around to 330, winding to 330. Right, there's our last little mark over there. Take your pair of compasses that you set to the small radius, and you're going to just draw in these little circles over here. Little arc coming around like that. A little arc coming around like this. Take a little arc coming around over here. Okay, and once you've got that, I can now do some feathering between these points over here. Dot, 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 dot. Dot, 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 dot. And making tangents to these arcs that I did. You can see how they sort of link up over there. Dot, dot, dot. Dot, 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 dot. Sorry, I'm making you guys seasick with what happened there. Let's try not to do that. Right, that goes all the way over there. This will then go over here. But I'm comfortable. Here we go. Dot, 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 dot. Dot, 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 dot. Just using the best feathering that I can do. I normally take this off the board. It's actually easier to do that. I'm just going to do this for now. Dot, 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 dot. Okay, there we go. That looks reasonable. Right, once I've got that in place, I can then take this and draw in a beautiful arc, which is going to come around something like that, following those little dots that I've got, coming around over there, coming around over here, down, going through there, going down to there, following around over here, coming up, tangent there, coming around over here. Okay, let's follow that around over there and continue up and meet up perfectly there. Right, there we go. There's that cam done. And yeah, it says complete the graph of the displacement, label the divisions on the cam profile. Okay, so there we go. It says draw a cam profile of the displacement and show all constructions. There we go. That is done.